I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to add videos to Canva, making your designs more dynamic and engaging. First, open your Canva design project. On the left-hand side, you will find the Uploads tab. Click on it, then select Upload Files to bring in videos directly from your computer or mobile device. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments, allowing you to quickly integrate your own footage into any project you are working on. Beyond your own uploads, Canva offers a vast built-in video library. You can easily explore this collection by navigating to the Videos tab on the left panel. Use the search bar to find specific clips by typing in keywords like nature or business. Once you find a video you like, simply drag and drop it onto your design canvas. This gives you access to thousands of professional quality videos to enhance your projects without needing external sources. After adding a video, Canva provides several tools to customize and edit it. You can easily trim the video to your desired length by dragging the ends of the timeline. Experiment with various filters and effects to change the visual tone, perhaps adding a vintage look or a vibrant pop of color. You can also adjust the playback speed, making your video faster or slower to create dramatic or comedic effects, giving you full creative control over your visual story. Once your video design is complete, it is time to export it. Head to the top right corner of your screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Make sure to choose MP4 video as your file type for the best compatibility and quality. You can also adjust the quality settings to balance file size and resolution, ensuring your final video looks fantastic whether it is for social media or a presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.